I just wanted to film this because I've never seen that before. That is an Anytime Fitness here in Okinawa, Japan. I've never seen that. So, okay, so there it is. Anyway, we're gonna see this house and it happens right now, so let's go. Look at that. It's got an elevator with a telephone and everything. Hey everybody, and welcome to the channel. Welcome to My Life in Okinawa. Today we are doing another video on a house, and this house is pretty pimp, if I can say the word pimp. Am I allowed to say the word pimp? I'm gonna say the word pimp. This house is very, very pimp. It has an elevator, and it's a pretty exclusive area, if you can see behind me. You can see how awesome it is. All right guys, so let's go inside and check out this awesome house. It's, I believe, 4 levels, and it has an elevator, but I'm not gonna go in the elevator because I'm not sure if it's been inspected, and I certainly don't wanna get lost and stuck in an elevator because nobody can hear your cries for help here. Look at that. Well, maybe the neighbors can. Well, let's go check it out. Okay, there we go. This is my setup. Pretty cool. All right, so here we have a garage. It's super echoey, and it looks like, wow, it's pretty big. So you could fit like a car back here, maybe 3 cars in here. Japanese cars, not regular American cars. All right, so when you walk in, you see the shoe closet. There we go, beautiful shoe closet. And here we have the elevator. No kidding, it's a real elevator. I'm not sure if it works. I pressed it up. Oh, look at that, it works. Does it open? Look at that. It's got an elevator with a telephone and everything. What? Wow. Amazing. So here's another cool feature. We'll just shut this door. We'll shut the door here. Now this could be a bad feature, but it's a good feature. Watch that, and it locks itself. So now I'm not gonna take the elevator because I don't wanna get stuck, so we gotta go up there. So let's take the stairwell up. So we're gonna call this the first floor. So the first floor, you have a sliding glass door to a small patio, and basically not a lot of room out here, but it is really nice. You could probably get a fire pit, just knock all those trees and shrubbery down, you get something nice. We have some shelves here for probably family portraits, stuff like that. And here I believe is a bedroom. You got your air conditioning there, you got a couple of windows. You're probably gonna wanna cut some of these tree branches down. And very cool. And here you have your remote for the wall, light switch, everything will turn off. All right. Okay, so here we move on to, we just came from down there, so here we have the elevator, and we have another bedroom. Let me turn the light on here for this one. Okay, there we go. Sorry about the balance. Now it is all tile floors, and you have your air conditioning there. Let's take a look at the closet. Pretty good size. Very good size, actually. Okay. You got your window there, probably looking at the building next door, to be honest with you. You've got your outlets. These cool little frosted glass things I kind of like, and then you have your remote for the AC and your light switch. This is bedroom number 2. Off the bedroom, we have a laundry room. Here we go. And you have a Japanese dryer, which fits almost nothing, to be honest with you. It really doesn't. And then here would be your hookups for your washing machine. You have some shelves here, some really good shelves, and you have a beautiful bathroom with a wonderful window. So here you have an American style toilet. You have frosted glass, you have a nice sink, and then you have a tub. And the tub has a little shower extension there, and it overlooks the ocean, which is pretty cool. Okay. Great, so that's it for, I believe, this floor. Let me go around here because I think this might be the master bedroom. So the master bedroom is this one. And we have these cool little blue lines on the doors. I don't know if you guys have noticed that, but the blue lines on the doors are pretty sweet. Here we have the master closet. Whoa, and it's huge. Let's see if I got a light in here. It does, let me turn it on. Okay, here's the master closet, huge. You've got shelves up top, and you've got one set of shelves down there, and then the rod goes all the way around. Okay, you've got your air conditioning remote there, along with your light switch, and you have a master bath right here. Your sink, your toilet, your bathtub, frosted glass for privacy, and the hand tool there. And let's take a look at this balcony. It's pretty sweet. Here is your view. Not bad. And it's very echoey because the renters have not moved in yet. And this has been rented. Look at those doors. The blue is really cool. So that's it for this floor. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up to the third floor, because if we consider the first floor where the garage was, this could be the second floor where you saw all the bedrooms. One bedroom there, one bedroom behind there, the master bedroom, the bathroom, and the stairwell. So now we're going back up the stairwell. So this is the third floor. There's little buddy. So the third floor has a really cool like living room. Look at that, really big and just really nice. Here you have your air conditioning, and this is the view, and Yumi's hiding behind the curtains. Are you hiding behind there? Hide and seek? All right, well, you've been found. So there we see the storm over the water. There is no part of this island that's ugly, to be honest with you, none. So this is what you're looking at when you're looking the other way. You see the stairwell going down to the first floor and then to the ground floor, down there. And then you can, we still have one level to go up, but let's come over here. And here we see the elevator again. Awesome elevator. All right, let's take a look. Here we see some shelves. These shelves are pretty cool. Like I said, they're built in throughout the house, so you can actually like put your family photos and stuff and make it look a little more like home, even though you're probably around 10,000 miles from home. And here we have a sink, like a half bath, off the third floor. Okay. And here we have the kitchen. So right here would be your dining room table, and here is the awesome kitchen. You've got your teardrop lights up there, 3 fire extinguishers in case you cook like me, and Yumi's keys. And you have a pantry here. Put a lot of stuff in there with frosted glass. You've got your refrigerator. Really nice countertops, kind of bluish countertops, gas, and really nice. So one of the really great aspects of this house is, oh, she shut it, but I'm gonna open it up again. Did she shut it? No, she didn't. All right. Is one of the balconies here. And as you can see, you have a sink out here so you can put a grill, and you have a hose hookup, and it is just a gorgeous view. Look at that. And like I said, thunderstorm over there, sunny over there, and this is just a phenomenal view. And way yonder, straight ahead actually, is Nago, straight ahead. And right over there is Ona, where you can see the sun illuminating like on the hills. That's Ona. And here's an empty lot. I mean, you know, I'm thinking about it, but who knows how long we'll be here. And it's a beautiful area. Now you can see off the living room, there is a slide that leads here. And then there's another, obviously the door where we came through right there. And still not done, 4th floor. So let's go up to the 4th floor. As you can see, here's the kitchen. There's the elevator. And it does have a, I believe that's where you can see somebody, it's a little television screen where you can see somebody actually coming inside. And here's the locks for the doors and the elevators and all that stuff. So let's go upstairs. Here you can see the cool lights in the living room. All right, let's go up to the 4th floor. All right, now the 4th floor is what it's all about. This is like the MTV Pimp My House thing. Is there a show called Pimp My House? Here we have it, the jacuzzi. The jacuzzi is ridiculous. Look at that. Sure, there's a couple of bugs in there. We'll clean those out. But you've got like And the floor is really intricate. Look at this. You can actually see these are frosted tiles that you can see down below. Here's the jacuzzi, and the jacuzzi looks on out to this amazing balcony. And this is an even crazier view. Look at that. Those guys are building a house down there. That'll be ready soon. If you guys are coming to Okinawa, just call YUMI. And look at that, just amazing. You can just go right in here. Now, there's also a play area on the balcony. Here we go. Little buddy's all sweaty already?
Yeah.
Yeah. And there's a dolphin. And that is the woman you want to call if you are PCSing to Okinawa, or you are contracting to Okinawa, or if you're getting a GS gig here. If for any reason you're in Okinawa, give YUMI a call. I put her information right there. Here's her information. So go ahead and give YUMI a call. She's not only a great real estate representative, but she's also a beautiful model who models all over Okinawa. One of those high-priced models that are $1 million an hour or something like that, I'm not sure. All right, and here we have another area just to chill. And just an amazing house, just amazing house. 4 stories and an elevator. That's gonna do it for the video on this house. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. I'm almost up to 2,000, I think, subscribers. That's all because of you. Thanks so much for following along my life in Okinawa. If you want any information on housing, if you're PCSing here, you're not really sure what's going on, if you don't have orders yet, but you know you're coming, give YUMI a call. Everything we saw today, including this house, the description will be in the video description. So go ahead and also leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought about this house. Is this something you would want to live in, or would you rather have a more traditional Okinawan style house like the other video that I've shown you? So take a look, and this is just amazing, isn't it, out here? Yeah, it's really nice. All right, so thank you so much. If you know anybody in the military, active duty, or spouse, give them a thumbs up, because you can't give them a hug or a handshake. It is not the most easy job to do, both military, active duty, and spouse, so make sure you give them a thumbs up, and I will see you next video.